Saturday, samedi, le 31 mai 2025. 2025. 31st. Ah, Léo, là, qui balance là. Swinging girl. Here we have a beautiful setup for Trashy. Say hi, Trashy. Pigeon. Pigeon là. We block this for the chicken not to come. It's a good way, otherwise they come and poop here. Je vais partir le géranium. Et le poulet. Oh. Je vais mettre mon botte with my boots. Go in the garden. I have to do the trimming. We got some oregano, onions, thyme, du thym, oregano. Hey, cucumbers, parsley and basil. And my chicken friends. Qu'est-ce que tu fais toi, Chandrin? Tu veux chanter un coup là? Chandrin? Hey, no, you gotta get out. Get back. No. You cannot come here. Because you guys are gonna trash and poop. And Big Mama is gonna be not happy. How you doing, Chandrin? You gentleman. Very nice rooster here. Un joli coq, ça. Hein? Ouais, tu. Very friendly. No attack, nothing. There's my flower here. Whole garden right there. I have to clean up all this right now. Here's the second section. There's garlics and some green plants and basils. Over there. More flower. More cucumber plants right here. Ça c'est dégueulasse ça. Bon. Ducky qui a fait ça là. So it's too hot now, so those girls are chilling here. Those guys chilling under the roses. Chilling. And the little one here. Petit bébé. Avec Fluffy là. Here comes the young ones here. And the big the one that hatch in springtime. Here's a gros papin. Broiler. Right here, look how big one is. There's another one. There's two of them. Hey, come on here. There you go. Big mataponcha. Voilà. On va manger. Voilà. This one is sitting on those eggs, duck eggs right here. He came for a break now. All the eggs should be here. Oh, they took the eggs. Oh, wow. Oh. Maybe it's over here. No. Wow. Well, something happened. I got talked to Oksana about. And now we go here. Jardin. Got bell peppers, basil, replanted, all were destroyed. Tomatoes doing good. Those are haricots. The plants. Here. Bunch of zucchini here. Zucchini galore, zucchini galore. Zucchini galore. Ah, le gros chien, de gros zucchini là. Partout. Tomate, tomate. Encore des zucchini là. Encore. Baby zucchinis. Baby zucchinis right here. Oh, yeah. Hopefully. And tomatoes over there. Tomatoes. Encore des tomates, tomates, tomates. Partout tomates, tomates. Avec du sunflower, apple. Le pêche, ça marche. Du bel pépéron, le bel pépéron encore là, ouais. Le limon. Et aussi. Some watermelons coming. Some of them dead. Because it got killed. Grapes galore here. Grapes. A lot of grapes. More. Plenty of grapes. Pas devant. Ah, yeah. Back and forth. Good grapes. No pear this time. No pear. Alright. I'm going to go attack the garden here. And the front is beautiful too. I'll show you next time.